research. It's true.
If
you think you can escape awkward situations, think again. They happen all the time. Experiencing them is one thing, but bouncing back is really what matters. So today we're going to share a few awkward work scenarios and how you can handle them like a boss.
What do you mean? Them not give up brown jacket.
Let us stick to the script that we got.
I want about the brown. No,
we'll talk about that at another occasion.
No, we want to talk about it now.
No, you can't talk about it now. Time of our program. Situation number one.
We want to talk about it now.
You received praise from your boss.
I'm not reading it. No.
For work you didn't actually do.
Dela, what do you mean by brown
That's
jacket?
not awkward to me. If my boss tell me it's a good work daily, I'm going to give you a raise. I'm going to say, thank you, boss.
Even if someone else did the work? Like the brown jacket and the black jacket.
I'm not going there with you. Yeah, this one tricky for true.
Yeah, if someone else did the work, you should give them credit.
If it's a work I didn't do,
yeah,
that wouldn't be fair.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be fair. And the boss could not trick you too.
That is true.
For see if you have any integrity.
It's like a case where account sent money to someone's account. A large sum of money, but it was accidentally sent, and they test to see if the person would, notify them that the money's in their account or what, them kind of tests. So you have to be mindful when things like that happen.
That it might actually be a test.
Speaking of tests,
I would say it's a haunting. It look like something happening in life, but we won't talk about Dwayne's personal life at this time. Yeah, I think the best thing would be to say, boss, to be fair, it wasn't me.
Okay.
And let them know who it was.
All right. The second one is you watch someone else receive credit for work you did.
No, me attack.
See how quick that was?
Me attack. First of all, I'm going to wait and see if them are going to come forward and be honest about it and say, no, it wasn't them. And this has happened many times, by the way.
It happens a lot in the performing arts.
It happens a lot in everywhere.
Yeah. But especially with plagiarism and yeah.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Credit people.
So,
There's a performer really made a name on Instagram, this side of the world. And then one day I happened to be on the African continent and started seeing the same jokes and and I was like, why is this African girl stealing this person's material? But then when I looked at the date of when the African person put up their material, then I realized that this person really thieving people idea. But because they're this side of the world, they felt nobody would find out. That's just, karma is going to come get you. You shouldn't do things like that.
The recommendation is, however you handle the situation, just make sure you do so lightheartedly.
Why lightheartedly?
It's just like with a jacket.
So you're going to say, Clive, you're so funny.
Yeah, Clive, you're a black jacket, not your brown one.
Look at you taking credit for something that you didn't do. Maybe.
That won't happen out here.
Maybe.
No.
You overhear a private and not very complimentary conversation about you at work.
No problems, yeah?
I usually laugh.
Me not laughing, no.
No, I'm not going to tell. I laugh, and then what I do is I enter the conversation where they are, and I say, hi, guys. How are you?
No, sir. Me not do that. That's not me.
And
nope.
To force them to be... Is that like a weird thing about me? When I know people not really so much into me, when I see them, I get very nice because I know say it hurt them for answer.
I've seen you do that a couple of times.
Yeah.
I've seen you do that.
So me say, hi, how are you?
Yeah. And then they're like, we're Pegasus once.
We're fine.
And the person was passing. And they're like, hi, hello. And she was like, hi.
She how are you? And then I laughed at it. I'm sorry, I'm that kind of quirky.
That was funny. I remember that.
But not everybody can handle it.
I can't be like Michelle Obama. They go low, we go high. Them go low sometimes. I just feel like,
Yeah. But I tell you what, if you overhear it, at least you know where you are.
But do you address it?
Do you address it?
Yeah, do you address it right there and then?
I'm not sure, and I'll tell you why. Because sometimes you'll say, if you say to the person, you know, I heard you say so and so, they may apologize and say they didn't mean it, but I don't know if they really never meant it or just because I hear them.
Yeah.
What
So-
I'll do is I'll watch their actions going forward, and if the actions confirm what I heard, then I'm good. I'm gonna curate you out of my life.
So it's like, are you sorry for me hearing it, or are you sorry for saying it, kind of thing?
Yeah.
All right. This one is, you were put on the spot in a meeting when you had no clue you were supposed to present anything. This is easy. I mean, it's not. Yeah, this is easy. I mean, this is something I learned with sports
And what you do?
and school. You freestyle and you wing it.
Yeah.
You wing it.
And if you say to people, wow, you know, I didn't know I was supposed to present, but
Yeah.
let me, so once you put that kind
Yeah,
of,
you
you preface it, people know, say, all right.
Easy.
So that's good. You're asked a question in a meeting and have no clue what the question was because you are totally zoning out.
Oh,
That sounds like university. When me sit down and look at them say, so they answer the question. I'm just like,
Huh? No, you don't say huh. I always, my professor said, don't say huh. You just look and I said, I'm thinking about the question, but could you ask me again? Or something like that. It's serious.
all right, Clive, run me. Yeah. Your boss catches you wasting precious work minutes, watching videos. You just broke up with your boyfriend who also works in your office. Look, if you choose to date a coworker, then make up your mind, said those things are gonna happen.
Doop, doop, doop.
So that's that.
And so before we go,
Thank you. I hope
the-
you may
the-
never have to
so the-
use any of these
the brown jacket
things
or the black.
ever. So
We'll come back, we'll
Dwayne
talk.
is having
We'll
a
come back.
personal issue.
We'll come back. We'll
I'm
talk about
gonna
the
try
jacket.
and deal with it in the break so he
talk
doesn't
in the
bring his
jacket.
personal issue to the program.
We will
What
talk about
is
the jacket.
wrong with you?
Is you
Let's
mention it?
take a break.
Is you mention the black and brown jacket?